Join me, let's make potatoes and egg salad that will help you lose belly fat. So now, let's go. Here we have 6 potatoes, it's already washed. Let's start by cutting the potatoes into small pieces. This is the size I prefer. Now I'm going to transfer it into the pot. I'm going to use hot water so it will not take time to cook. I'm adding salt. Here I have green onion. I have celery, green bell pepper, and 1 onion. I'm done chopping it. You can see the green pepper, I use just a portion of it. Potatoes is cooked. Let's strain the water. Next is to cook the egg. I'm going to use hot water, so it will take just 10 minutes to cook. Egg is cooked. I will put some ice and put water so it will cool fast and it will be easy to peel. I'm going to peel it now. You can see how it's easy to peel. Into the bowl, I will start with olive oil, a little bit of mayonnaise, yogurt. I'm using low-fat yogurt, mustard, black pepper, some salt, and mix it well. After mixing, this is what we have. Now I will add the fresh ingredients: onion, celery, green onion, green pepper. I want to use this moment to say thank you for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, you are amazing. Please don't forget to share the video to your families, to like and comment. And let me know what you think about this salad video. The sauce is ready. Let's add in potatoes. And here I have some dry parsley. When you are mixing, use spatula so that the potatoes will not break. Finally, let's add in the egg and mix it. It's the last thing to add and mix everything. You can see the salad is ready. Let's garnish it with a little bit of onion, green pepper, and egg. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you into the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.